Alright guys, welcome back. We are ready for another video. Joe Biden is missing. Where is Joe Biden? Let's play Where is Ollie? Alright, it's exactly the same thing. Where is Wally? Where is Wally? Where is Joe Biden at this moment? After, a very busy weekend for him, I would say, he just disappeared. Alright, no one knows where he is. He doesn't even, he said that he would be pronouncing himself during the week, and that haven't yet occurred, and we're going to Thursday. All right, so it is pretty intriguing where Joe Biden is. All right, there's so many people talking about some conspiracy theory and lots of things, but it doesn't come to trading because it's not data and data driven related topics. So, but it's just funny to to see how he just disappeared, and he's not even on Instagram, he's not even on X, he's not even on CNN, like any big TV commercials, nothing like that anymore. So it comes to my mind, where is he? So if you know where he is, put down in the comments because I really want to know where this guy went. All right, before we start, I would highly recommend you to slap that button of the like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. All right, so guys, lots of things happening from now on, okay? So Monday and Tuesday, we didn't have anything on the market. And then now Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, we're gonna be having lots and lots of data coming from UK, Europe, Eurozone area, and then US as well. Some of the questions people may be asking, where is the US dollar heading now? Because there's nothing to do with Joe Biden, okay? If you think that Joe Biden not appearing anymore, like, as I can say, disappearing, if you think that this is something that it will be intriguing for the market, it won't, all right? The market that couldn't care less for this type of murmuring around, okay? What the market is carrying is about the German services manufacturing, is about the German PMIs, manufacturing and services. It's about the manufacturing and the services of Eurozone. It's about the composed and the service PMI for UK, and is about, of course, the Manufacturing PMI and Services PMI for US, and the Bank of Canada interest rates decision. Oh my God, lots and lots of things happening just today, all right? This I'm talking about since 4 p.m., all right? That's where the German consumer climate is going to start, all the way to midnight in Australia, okay? So let's go through some of these aspects now, and let's discuss it. What can possibly happen to euro dollar, because I'm continuing to be right, as I just, I'm just saying. As the pound dollar, as the gold, as USD JPY, and some others, all right? USD JPY is some tricky points there, and I will disclose that on my Telegram. So if you're not yet on the Telegram group, please do it so by clicking on the description, the link of the description, go to the Telegram group, and you will know what's happening with USD JPY. Even though US dollar is strong and JPY should be weak, so what's going on there? You will know. Today, I will send it a message on the Telegram. All right, so first, the most expected one is the services and the manufacturing PMI for the USA. All right, so we are expecting a decline for both of them. All right, the previous was 51.6 for the manufacturing PMI, and now they're expecting 51.7, and the services PMI 55.3 for the previous, and now the consensus is 54.7. All right, I'm expecting higher than that. I'm expecting much better numbers than what the consensus is expecting. All right, that means strengthening the US dollar. Now, we do have composed PMI and services PMI for UK as well. 52.6 from the previous of 52.3 and 52.5 from the previous of 52.1. This is for the services, and the other one was for the composed PMI. I'm expecting lower numbers than that. I'm expecting worse numbers for UK. Services and manufacturing PMI for Eurozone. Services PMI 52.9% as the consensus from the previous of 52.8, all right? And the manufacturing PMI, the consensus 46 from the previous 45.8. I'm expecting lower numbers than that as well. I do think that the market is believing it wrong. I do think that the euro-dollar rally has gone, and I'm believing now that we can continue, I will continue to short euro-dollar all the way down to 108. That's my main target, and then from there, I will watch the market and see how this goes. Same goes for the pound-dollar. We'll continue to short pound-dollar, and we will continue to watch the market since Monday. I've been watching, and I've been telling this since last week already. So these are the type of content you're missing if you're not subscribed to the channel. So do it so, it's free, no charges. And we're going to have German manufacturing PMIs and services PMIs as well. They are expected to come a bit higher than the previous, but again, I'm expecting it to be mixed on this one, all right? And that will be it for today. So my expectations is that we will see a lower euro-dollar for at least 2 weeks, all right, a week and a half now, because this one is already midway. So next week and the last 2 days of this week and the whole next week, oh my God, sorry, this will be pretty bad for euro-dollar, pretty bad for the pound, pretty good for the US dollar, and mixed appointments from the USD JPY that I will be giving out the analysis, full analysis on the Telegram. So guys, where is Joe Biden? All right, I want to know from you. Put it down in the comments, and I see you tomorrow on my webinar. So don't forget to register from 7 to 8 p.m. or I see you in the next video. So have a good trading day tonight. Use risk management, and I see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.